Hi everyone, welcome again to our Jira session. Today I will explain you about how to create or add tasks in Jira. So whenever we're working with any specific project in Agile, Scrum or Kanban chart, it's always required to add tasks by Scrum Master or Product Owner. So if it is needed to build a specific functionality which is divided in small tasks which can be captured on easy basis on each sprint wise, or we can uh, track it on regular basis. So we'll show you how to create a task in Jira. First, what is task in Jira, how to create a task, the detailed setup, and how to delete the task if by mistake it is added. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So let's do the practical session where we can create a task practically. So let's understand what is task in Jira. So whenever we are working with Agile or Scrum methodology, as I said, it's always divided functionality or feature to build in small tasks so that it can be tracked on regular basis, or the progress of functionality will show up clearly, so that one small functionality is moved to the QA or UAT for testing perspective, and defects are easily tracked in initial phases. So, whenever you want to create a task, select your project, go to active sprint, and inside the active sprints, you can create task here. For creating a task, you just have to click on create, select your project name, and from the issue type, you have to select your task. Inside the task, you have to provide your summary of tasks. What is you are going to create it. So I'm giving here, if I am working on any e-commerce project and I want to build some specific functionality which is divided into small tasks. So let's take off buying one product. So buying one product will have different actions which is required. So complete flow of buying a product. Now here we have provided summary. Inside the attachment, if you have any BRD or specific requirement document or the screenshot of any design document, you can attach it from here. Component, it's none here, but description, you can add the complete description what we are going to achieve in this task. So I am giving here select product, then add in payment option, add address, and click on submit. So this is my final requirement which I am describing here. So you can change the reporter name to this blocks. So linked issue is blocked by clones or cloned by duplicates or duplicate by. You can provide the detail. So if you want to provide the issue type, you can change it to the issue type with the detail. Then assignee is having an automatic here, but you can change it to assign student who is going to act on that. Priority, if you want to make it as high or highest, you can change it from here. Or if this is the least priority, you can select low or lowest. Levels, you can add it. Epic link sprint, in which sprint you want to build it. So select your sprint. Now I am selecting here the sample sprint 2. Once you will click on create task, it will be added inside your sample sprint because I have selected sample string. Complete flow of buying a product is my task name. Post that, we can add our subtask as well, which I will definitely create one more session for that. You have to double select on this and Post that, you can add your subtask inside this. So this is how we can create a task inside the Jira. But if you want to delete by mistake it is created, you can delete it on selecting the particular task. So for creating such task, I've already created one session. Please watch that first, then you will understand it. For deleting, you can select this and delete it directly, but I don't want to delete it, I want to keep it here. Because of that, I'm canceling. Otherwise, you can select this one and delete it from here as well. So both settings are also available, you can change it according to our need. So inside the backlog, if you can see, because I have selected sprint sample sprint 2, it's showing here, but you can change it. Once you'll change it, it will jump to whatever sprint you have selected. So that's how we can create a task inside Jira, which is very simple. We can update the details and change the required parameters post creating as well. So this is how it works on creating a task. Hope you like this session. If you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more update. Thank you for watching.